Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about C++. Oh my god, this is my first video about C++ and I'm really happy because I'm going to share such an important programming language to my viewers. C++ is one of the most widely used language and programming language, and if you use C++, then you can easily learn Python, Java, or another programming language. That will be very easy for you guys to learn. So once you learn C++, it will be very easy for you. I can guarantee you that. So in my first video, I'm going to explain something. So why we use in the C++ like Iostream, Namespace, main, Cout, why we use them is very important for beginner level learners to know that first. So let me talk about first why we use include Iostream. Include Iostream in C++ help us to insert the contents of another file into the program. So that's why we use the word include. C++ use the keyword include because it inserts the contents of another file. This can be also said as a preprocessor directive. And namespace is used so that we can use all the keywords, standard keywords given in C++. So basically, namespace std store all C++ language keywords. So everything inside the int main is going to be printed. Before it's not going to be printed. So for example, if I use int main and then Cout, it is used to print the code. So if I write anything Cout and then this operator and then I use hello viewers and then give this operator and then we can do endl. Endl is used so that I can end this statement and write another statement so that both of them will not collide. So if I say important and then I can do one thing. What I will do is that I will not end it. I will give it like this, and then I will print Cout. You guys will see what will happen because of what I did. If I say inspiring, semicolon, don't forget to put the semicolon because semicolon will make sure that this is where it's gonna terminate and then start another line. And L, you're gonna see this is a lowercase L, so you're gonna see what happens when I run the simulations. So here you guys can see my output was hello viewers and then important and inspiring. Both of them is combined. It's because hello viewers I printed, it was okay. I gave the semicolon and end L. But as you guys can see here, I didn't give end L. That's why it was combined. So end L will make sure that you have a different line of code. It will not mess it up with the previous one. So if I put important and then end L, then semicolon, that's gonna end it and there will be no problem. And after the inspiring, there's no more call, so it's okay if I don't give an end L. Or another thing you can do to end, or instead of using end L, you can use a shortcut, which is this way, you can end it. So this is another great thing. If you choose to give end L, then you don't have to write this part. But if you choose to give this one, then you don't have to write end L. This is a shortcut. Built and run. Let's see what happened. Built and run. Woohoo! Now you can see I have hello viewers and then important and inspiring in two different lines. So this is not messed up right now. It was a good start for the C++, and we just learned about the Iostream, why use the Iostream, why namespace, and then Cout, why we use the Cout. So don't forget to keep watching the videos I upload on my channel, and please subscribe if you didn't, and like and comment what you did like, and if you don't like it, please don't dislike my video, just give me comment. I will try to improve. Thank you so much.